The most common question I get asked after installing a garage door is how to maintain it. And what you should do is lubricate the hinges, the rollers, the springs, and do that every 6 months. And I'm going to show you how to right now. We'll start with the hinges and then the stems of the rollers. So where you're going to want to spray is you want to spray right into where the stem goes into the hinge, and then you want to spray both sides of the hinge. So you can make sure that the stems can move in and out so they don't get stuck. You want to do this on every single hinge point because they're always moving. You don't forget to do top hinges. And you can spray some in the track too as well. And the very last thing you want to do, but always be sure to do this, is spray your springs, because if you don't, they'll start binding and popping. And if you ever hear popping sounds, get up there and spray some lubricant in the spring. But also don't spray directly into the roller because you can take all the lubricant that's in the roller out. You're going to want to use a lubricant that's non-lithium, non-silicone, because if you use lithium or silicone, you'll cause things to stick to it, and then it creates more problems. So when lubricating the door, it's very important to do it because it also helps with maintaining the door's movement, keeping it rolling the way you would like it, and keep it quiet. You can give us a call. We can come out and sell this can to you, or you can come and get it from us, or you can go to a local hardware store and purchase it.
If you have problems with your garage door or garage door operator, please contact us today.